I'm Laura from Tidy Kitchen, and today we're going to make curried Welsh lamb kebabs. Today we're going to use a boneless leg of lamb. You can also use the neck. It is a quick cook, it's high in nutrients, and it's delicious. Right, onto the marinade. So we're going to thinly cut white onion and mix them with demerara sugar, madras curry powder, apricot jam, grated garlic, and a little bit of malt vinegar. And then we'll cut the lamb into nice chunks so it's got more of a surface area to absorb all of the flavour. We're using Welsh lamb for the recipe. Lambs from Wales benefit massively from high rainfall, green grass, and when they're predominantly grass-fed, they are high in nutrition. Things like omega-3, which are great for brain health, high in protein, and especially this cut is lean. So it cooks fast, it'll absorb lots of flavour, which will just enhance the taste. You wouldn't necessarily think of using lamb for a quick dinner, but with the marinade, with the specific cut being so lean, it's really quick and it's absolutely delicious. So we're going to add the chunks to the marinade. Now pop a bit of cling film over the top and leave in the fridge for 24 hours. Or if you don't have the time, 30 minutes will be enough. Okay, fab. So we've got this out the fridge. We're just going to thread it on to our metal skewers. You can use wooden ones, but my advice would be to soak them in water because you don't want them to burn, especially if they're going on the barbecue. Typically, when I work as a private chef, I get asked for fueling health-conscious recipes, which taste great but are a little bit of a twist on the norm. People often get bored with the same type of meat, same cut of meat. So this makes a really nice change and just creates a bit of variety whilst also being really nutritionally dense, absolutely delicious and really quick. We have turned on the griddle pan. It's going to get really, really hot and we're going to cook them off then. You see a little bit of caramelisation there, which is exactly what we want. Don't mess around with them too much. You want that caramelisation all the way around and they'll just do their thing. Okay, so the kebabs are cooked. The meat is just resting to one side. And in the meantime, we're going to make our crushed cucumber salad and then all the fillings to go in with the kebab. We're going to use smashed cucumber, loosely wrap it in cling film, get a rolling pin, the whole cucumber, and just smash it into chunks. Rough and ready. We're going to mix in some white wine vinegar, some cumin seeds and chili, and finally chopped peanuts. Again, just adds a bit of texture, really tasty. And then mix and leave to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. In that time, we're going to make our garlic yoghurt, so it really is as simple as just grating garlic into yoghurt. When the lamb is cool, we're also just going to squeeze over a little bit of lime. And finally, we're just going to pop the naan bread in to the oven, sprinkle with a little bit of water, and then pop it in the oven for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now the naan is soft out the oven, it's a little bit hot, but we're going to load it up while it's warm. And then pop it down on the plate and we're going to fill the rest. Super colourful, really nutritious, heaps of Welsh lamb, really lean, and a really quick